for 2 days a week, every week, Dan and I don't talk. We like do not talk to each other. We have like totally separate quiet days. On one of those days, I usually go out if the weather is nice, and sometimes I bring Snoop, sometimes I don't. This week I'm bringing Snoop, which I think is really nice for me and Snoop, because I honestly like need to get like his nails cut and stuff like that. But it's nice for Dan because like dog barking is overstimulating, and like everyone needs quiet. Dan is not an exception to that. And so he's having like a quiet solo day. I'm having an out and about day. And I feel like it's really interesting because like everyone recharges in different ways. And I think it's important to acknowledge that as like people and individuals, that like we all recharge in different ways. And like going out, being in the sun, running some errands, driving around feels very like recharging and nourishing for me, and it's exhausting for Dan. And so like it kind of works out really perfectly. Like he gets a day at home to be quiet and by himself, and I get a day to be out and like doing shit. So let's do some shit.
Saying to the world, or there's some kind of very important Mercury and the sun come together and make a sextile to Pluto. Very deep. Suppose one thing down, open something up.
That was fun. ColourPop sent me a bunch of lip glosses. I kept 2, and then I gave the rest to the girl who works behind the desk. I've learned her name is Vanessa. Because I'm just like, I'm not really a lip gloss girl, but I do love like a baby pink. And I've been wanting a brown. And so I feel like, let's give this brown one a try. These are cute. They're like sparkly. I think they're supposed to be kind of like a dupe on those MAC ones, which I had one and I lost it and I really liked it. So, it tastes like cocoa. Pretty. Yeah, that's really nice. I'm glad I kept that one. I feel like this will be a good summer one, but I do feel like I should eat. I also feel like maybe it would be a good time to find the FedEx store. Let me do that.
work in general, this is such a potent, powerful time for you to do.
I guess I just feel like these places are overpriced. And maybe I'm spoiled because Florida thrifting, I feel like even the expensive thrift places are less expensive than most of the places I've been out here. I've done some very important errands today. I dropped off that thing at Spectrum, which was like, we've had that since Asheville. Like that was my Asheville modem. And recently got charged nearly $200 for not returning it. Fair enough, I get it. So finally returned that. Amazing. I parked pretty shitty. It's your fault. And then we're gonna go get Snoop's nails cut. But I'm feeling like this is a pretty productive day.
Yeah, well done. Good job. Okay, babies.
Body done. I had Amaya help me. She covered her. That seemed to work a little.
Spend a lot of time alone in our heads. I wonder if that's why we were so drawn to the album. It's the race. The burst of 200 odd girls leaping. Imagine your lungs straining and your legs flushed with lactic acid. It's the secret for jocks. I did this before every cross-country and track race in high school and college. And then I started doing Who Wanted to Kiss Me. My dream boyfriend at that time wasn't any boy in particular, but just boy is skinny and scrappy, and we sit across from each other, catching eyes with increased frequency. Boy breaks the silence. This is the tragic brain of a young woman trying to convince herself she...
I got these today in the mail from a brand called Knockout. I've been taking melatonin for years, but like I feel like it always makes me feel really groggy in the morning. And this brand reached out. I was like, you know what? Curious. They're sleep gummies, but they're melatonin free. And it says you're supposed to take it 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. It doesn't have any ingredients on it. It tastes good. I just saw on TikTok that the new Hunger Games book came out, and I'm annoyed because I was fucking right in front of Barnes & Noble today. I didn't know. But I really hope they have it on Kindle. Yes, they do. And people already are posting spoilers. It's like, I didn't even know the book was out. Amazing. I'm so excited. To the end.
Hey. There it is.
Yay! Come on, that's so cute.
That's such a cute little guy.
That's really cute.
I like.
Gives off a decent amount of light, honestly, too.
I agree.